talking about 19th century lighting, fluid lamps in particular, we want to discuss a little bit about books and resources. For someone starting to collect, I would highly recommend that you go out and either purchase some books, go to a library for reference so you can sit down and just look it over and try to figure out what fluid lamps are in what range, what year, what style you might particularly want to collect. You can do that in a library where you don't have to purchase anything. You can go into a place like Barnes & Noble and search through what they have for choices. You can also, online, you can buy books, resources for lighting. And some of the books I have here, I recommend because I think these are wonderful books, is Oil Lamps right here, The Kerosene Era in North America, which is a really good book. Antique Lamp and Buyer's Guide. This is a little bit later period, but also a good book. American Lighting from 1840 to 1940 is another good book. These are just a few examples, but there are many out there to choose from. There's another type of book that you can buy, which is Schroeder's, which is a popular general book. It won't give you as much information, but it'll give you some information on lighting. It's a good place to start, but when you really want to see a wide range of oil lamps, I would highly recommend a specific book that talks about that era, which is specifically what we're talking about today, 1840s era. So you want to be able to look in the book, see the description, so that when you go out there you can try to identify, and this will be really helpful for you.